Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to tell you why your delete Houseparty account is not working. So let's start. First, open the Houseparty app. It takes a few moments to load the app. Now tap on the settings icon on top left corner. Then tap on privacy. And here you will see delete account feature. Tap on that. Now tap on delete anyway. Now enter your password and then tap OK. And then delete. And your Houseparty account will be deleted. And if you don't see the delete account option here, then there is a problem. The problem is you are on Android. If you don't see this option in your Android device, then you have to delete your account either from a PC or from an iOS device. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.